A very good day to my lecturer, and my name is Padma Mohan, metric number 272449. In this a very good day, I would like to talk about on a podcast on the topic of disciplinary aspects in human resource management. This podcast was conducted by Miss Clara, and the chief guest was Mr. Hira Singh. Mr. Hira Singh talked about the problems which occurs in workplace, mainly the disciplinary aspects in human resource management. Besides that, he gave some advices to the HR professionals, line managers, and also superiors on how to control on disciplinary problems of employees and some examples of disciplinary misconducts. First of all, I would like to brief about the employee discipline. Discipline is the backbone of healthy industrial relations. The promotion and maintenance of employee discipline is essential for smooth functioning of an organization. Employee morale and industrial peace are definitely linked with the proper maintenance of discipline. Disciplinary action can also help the employee to become more effective and efficient. The action of one person can affect others in the group. So this is why the discipline in a workplace or discipline in employee is very important. As I mentioned earlier, the author of Human Resource Documentation, Mr. Hira Singh, shared the disciplinary aspects of human resource management. After listening to this podcast, everyone can have a clear vision of a disciplinary aspect at the workplace. From Mr. Hira Singh's opinion, every organization should have some form of structured disciplinary actions. Mr. Hira Singh said that disciplinary actions should be carried in a positive way and make employees to realize that every disciplinary behaviors is a way to make the organization to achieve the higher level. More than that, in an organization, a superior must give punishment for the more than that, Mr. Hira Singh added that disciplinary is the responsibility of the superior or line managers. However, when it is comes to the stage where the problem becomes serious, then HR can interrupt and managers can get advice from the HR. Overall sense, Mr. Hirasin said that HR should come up with a disciplinary process and system. Then another one is the help line managers by giving advices. In addition, Mr. Hira Singh has talked about some of the employee disciplinary problems too, and he divided it into two sections, which is minor and major misconduct. As the above picture shown, there is two categories of employee misconduct, which is minor and major misconduct. This kind of misconduct is categorized as unprofessional behavior and unethical behavior. After watching this podcast, from my point of view, I think every HR professionals, superiors such as managers, supervisors, and leaders should find a proper way to punish someone or employee or give a proper warn to make them realize to be disciplined. This should make the employees to realize that discipline is strength to make an organization to achieve higher.